What's up guys? Ito na naman yung pambansang ka-maintenance, Tito K from Tito K TV. And today, we are going to be unboxing, pero actually di unboxing, unpacking itong mga orders ko from the newest e-commerce platform na nakita ko. At least for me, bago to. This is called yung Temu or Temu platform, no? Ganda ng mga binibenta nila, tsaka mga mura lang. So let's see, ito na siya. Dumating siya kahapon habang nasa office ako. But today natin bubuksan and kukumusta natin yung quality ng mga items na nakuha ko. Okay, here we go! Nga pala mga kaibigan, don't forget baka kinakain mga gamot nyo ngayong umaga, don't forget to drink your maintenance meds Okay, first item, bumili ako ng summer cap. Okay, yan. So, bukan natin. So, this summer cap is made from a mesh material. So, yan. Okay. Cool, diba? Ayos na rin. So, with this cap, medyo lalamig yung ulo mo. Hindi masyado mainit. Dun sa mga medyo niminibis na yung buhok, hopefully this can help na hindi mo na mag-progress yan. Okay? So let's try it out. Yan. Okay naman siya. Medyo maliit, masikip. But let's see kung paano siya pagka nakaharap naman. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Pretty comfortable. Ganda naman yung pagkagawa niya. So, here we go. That's good. Okay, next item. Dahil mainit ngayon, so we bought a neck fan. Alright? Okay, let's see. Alright, ito siya. Yan. May instructions na Chinese. Hindi ko naman mabasa, so tabi natin yun dyan. Okay, so magandang material. Cool yung itsura, di ba? Medyo may rose gold. Bagay dito sa aking laptop na rose gold yung kulay. And paano ba ito paganahin? Let's see. On. May charge siya. And as you can hear, meron siyang may fan. Gumagana. May battery. So let's try it on. Sabit mo lang yan dito. And it works. Actually, it's pretty good. Nakikita ko na kapag lumabas ako, this will be very helpful para medyo lumamig-lamig naman yung natin. Ipakaramdam natin. Because napakainit ngayon dito sa Metro Manila. Yan. Okay, so paano ba to? Is there any other modes? Parang wala naman na. You only have one button here. Ito yung charging port. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung para saan to. Parang display siya. Maybe para sa intensity. Yeah, there we go. Lumibilis. Yan, ito. Grabe. Pag medyo init ka na, yan, gagamitin mo na siyang ganyan. Actually, it cools down. That's nice. Alright. Stop muna natin. Yan. So, sabit na nga din natin. Sige. Alright, itong next one. This is what is called Lasses wireless headset. Okay, nakita ko lang siya, interesting siya. Basically, shade siya. And what you can do with it is connect to your mobile device and play music. Paano ba to? Buksan. Parang one naturally para sirain ko gano'n. Or hindi, hinihila pala siya. Yan, hinihila. Okay, mga ka-maintenance siya. Okay, inside is just the glasses. May siya, wrapper. Take it out. So, protected yung glasses ng layer ng plastic para hindi gas-gas. And dito, I think you can see yung controls. Yan. Let me see. Dito sa bandang baba, meron ditong charging port. Yan, dito. I think pwede siyang iangat. USB. Standard na USB 2, I think. And then, dito sa side, may fingerprint scanner of sorts. Yan, nakikita nyo, mix up isa pa. And I think pwede siyang i-connect sa sa mobile device. And here you go. You will see here, if you can see that. Yan. Diyan yung mga speakers. So maybe try out ko lang later on. Pero ayan siya. When you wear it, so once you go out, you're wearing these glasses, you're wearing ito, you have this on, pwede ka na sa beach, diba? Yan. So cool na yung feeling natin. And these are quite nice glasses, maganda yung shape niya. So I like them. Okay? So mamaya, subukan ko yan. On a separate video. Kumusta yung sound? Magkakaroon tayong review. Right. Ito naman, bumili ako nito. This is what you call Jewfish Shoe Cleaning Cream. Yan. Okay? Jewfish Shoe Cleaning Cream. Pinapahid lang siya. Sabi dito, Cleaning Cream White Shoe Cleaner, Gentle, Safe, and Durable. Net weight 100 grams. Okay? Good for sneakers, mesh shoes, canvas shoes, casual shoes. Yan. Ito nyo yung dyan nakalagay. Alright? Yan. Okay. So, let's put that aside. Okay. There we go. So, lagay dyan. What I want is simple. Medyo nakabata tong cup na to. At saka breathable siya. Hindi na naman ng ulo basically, no? So, I'll put this on. Yan. So, ayos. Ganda rin. Okay? Yan, oh. Diba? Cool. Right. So, man. Thank you dito sa Puro magandang hangin. Lakasan natin. I also bought bag lang para sa mga toiletries kasi medyo nagta-travel ako ngayon. If you notice kung saan ako nakakarating. So I think yung bag of toiletries like this would come in very handy. Pwede lagyan ng mga sipilyo, sabon, shampoo. Okay? Basic lang siya. Inside, may tatlong compartments. Okay, 1, 2, and then may zippered compartment dito sa gitna. Para sa mga items na kailangan nyo kagad makuha, like mga key, siguro nalagyan na natin dyan. Alright, very handy, very useful. Let's try the next one. Meron pa po tayo dito. These are exercise bands. Yan. So, resistance bands lang po siya. Multicolored. So, ang function ito, basically, it will help you with resistance training. So, okay, natin. Okay siya, good. Okay, pagsasamahin natin yan para maging mas, mataas yung resistance kapag nag-workout, no? Ganyan. Yan, no? May feel ka na stretch. This is good for exercise. So, we'll put this aside muna. Meron siya ito mga pangkabit doon sa may sa pintuan. So, that's that. And then, what else? Okay, last item. Oh, wait. Dalawang item pa. Now, this is, I don't know what this is. Hindi ko na maalala kung order ko, pero buksan natin. Okay. Yan na ulit ko. Buksan. Kaya po. Kumalala ko I'll slice it open. Buksan natin. What's inside? Ha! Shades ulit. Medyo paisip lang ako. Nangailangan na shades. These are a bit more fashionable, I guess. At saka yung size niya yung malaking shades. So, minsan kasi gusto ko yung mga malaking shades dahil medyo malaki yung mukha natin. So, yan ang ginagamit ko ngayon. Okay? Right. Yung shades natin bago. And there is one more item. I don't know why I bought this. Hindi ko sure kung ito rin talaga yung pinili ko. Pero I guess so. Kasi I will be going up sa Baguio pretty soon. And I hope magamit ko. Let's see. So zip bag. And once you take it out, ito. Yan siya. Okay? So, tayo on konti para Kita nito. So this is something new. Medyo fashionable siya ng jacket. I'll put it on. You know what? Lahat ng mga items na to, I bought for, I think less than 2,000 pesos lahat. 1,500 if I'm not mistaken. So, mukhang maganda bumili sa Temu or Temu na app, no? Tsaka dumating siya in just a few days. So guys, yan, pwede ka rin ganito, naka-open siya, di ba? Diba? Cool. Right. Let me know in the comments kung anong palagay nyo, maganda ba, maayos ba, or tingin nyo na hindi siya masyadong magandang quality or hindi siya magandang format. Okay guys, so yun na muna sa mga ka-maintenance dyan. Lagi kayo mag-iingat. This is your boy, Tito K from Tito K TV. Hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope you got something out of this video. Makatipid kayo, you buy online. It really helps kasi sa sobrang daming items ko na ginastos ko lang is about 1,500 pesos. I think good buy na talaga siya. Alright, have a great day guys. See you next time.